Alpilean Supplement Review.
Hi guys, how are you doing? I'm James and I was reading some news on CNN when I saw an ad about Alpilean weight loss supplement. So I went on YouTube to see some reviews and I found a lot of testimonials in which people were sharing their experience of Alpilean. Some said that they lost 15 pounds in a week and others were saying that they've used the product for 3 months and lost 20 pounds or more. I wasn't sure who was telling the truth, so I decided to do some research to know the truth behind all of this. And after hours of research on health blogs, reading reviews and science behind Alpilean, I came to know some alarming facts that blew my mind. First thing that I decided to share with other people is to tell you about these fake testimonials of people who are trying to rob and mislead you. First thing that you must know about Alpilean is that it is new to the market, and although it is selling a lot and getting people's attention all over the world, what made me curious was how people could have used the product for 3 months when it is newly launched. That gave me a red flag and I decided not to believe these fake testimonials. Second thing that I came across during research on Alpilean is that it is not an overnight fat burning formula. Rather, it is a slow weight loss tonic that works naturally and will take at least 3 months to see some results as told by the manufacturers. Now, the people who are saying that they have used Alpilean for a week and lost 10 pounds are absolutely lying to you. Alpilean works slowly as it is a blend of natural herbs and exotic extracts that help increase your low inner body temperature to boost your metabolism and help you lose weight naturally over the period of 3 to 6 months. According to Stanford University School of Medicine, the main cause of fat gain is low inner body temperature. Alpilean normalizes low inner body temperature and boosts your metabolic rate to burn extra pounds fast. Third and final thing about Alpilean, which is very important for you to know, because you can lose around $700 per transaction if you don't listen to what I have to say. These fake reviews and some other robbers have made dummy websites which looks exactly like the official Alpilean website. But when you go to their website and put in your credit card info, they take your money, charge you with multiple transactions and never ship anything to your address. Some people do ship Alpilean to your address, but it is not Alpilean which is inside the bottle and nobody knows what they have put inside. So please stay away from these websites. For your safety, I have provided the Alpilean official website link in the description below, where the Alpilean official manufacturers are offering an 80% discount for a limited time. When it comes to the ingredients of Alpilean, it has golden algae, drumstick tree leaf, turmeric and ginger, and some other herbs and minerals that work together to boost your metabolic rate. According to manufacturers, due to all the natural herbs and minerals of Alpilean, it has no side effects. I have found that people on a constant medication, breastfeeding moms, and children under 15 should rather avoid the use of Alpilean. It is very easy to take Alpilean. Just take 1 capsule with a big glass of cold water in the morning, and these ingredients will absorb right into your body to increase your metabolic rate and help you lose weight naturally. That's all from my side. I wish you the best of luck with your overall health and have a good day.
If you liked my honest review of Alpilean, then please share it with your friends and family.